Welcome back to a new video on One to Step everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps of changing your age on Facebook. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Open up your app of Facebook and head over to your profile icon or the profile section which is on the top left. From your profile section, if you scroll down, you'll see an option of edit public details. Tap on this option and again scroll down. On the last, you'll see edit your about info. Tap on that option again and you'll have a section of basic info, and underneath you'll see your date of birth. To change it, just tap on the edit option, and from here you'll be able to change your date of birth or your age on Facebook. You can change the day, month and the year. Tap on the arrow and just choose the new day and choose the month and the day. After you made the changes, just tap on save on the bottom and your date of birth or your age on Facebook will be immediately changed. So that's the quick process of changing your age on Facebook. Be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications of our channel. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll be back with more.